Achoo! She didn't bless my sneeze, so I dropped to my knees, begging her, please bless my sneeze. I was tweezing some cheesing, and I didn't notice her sneezing. I'll confess, I'm a mess, but I didn't want no stress. Bless my sneeze. All I'm asking you to please bless my sneeze. I'm not trying to tease, but I'll flip to my knees in order to bless my sneeze. Yes, next time I sneeze, I'll ask myself, can she finesse my wheeze and bless my sneeze? Bless my sneeze. All I'm asking you to please bless my sneeze. Achoo! Bless you.